Yo, what's up guys? I am pulling into Insurance Auto Auction because, as you guys saw in the title, I got an S2000, but it ain't mine. The car is actually my brother's. He is the one who won the car, and I see him coming out right now with all the paperwork. So I'm assuming they will be pulling it out soon. So I still got a bone to pick with IAAI, so I got my application, updated application. I want to see if they could process it for me right now. I don't know what my brother filmed, but clearly he showed you guys the car. And this is what he bought. And that engine looks really clean. Look at that, no oil leaks around the head.
Nothing.
Nothing, this thing is spotless. As always, a little windy out here. Convertible top, Cooper tires, decent thread left. He said it has 5 sets of keys. 1, 2, just 3, Andre, just 3.
That was exaggerating.
I know, I figured. Did it start?
I didn't try it.
Ah, so seatbelt is blown.
So it's this one.
Which we kind of accounted for.
150 bucks online for a set of 2.
Let's see if anything is exciting. Ooh, I see some burning. Exhaust looks stock. So look at that. Guess wired for subs. It did have a sub in it, so it's just plug and play.
Yeah, exactly.
And you have a sub.
Exactly.
You do. So Andre, you fit in that thing or no? Look at that. That bi-xenon headlights. Andre says the check engine light is on. We could close this up. Is he trying the moonroof? Or the sunroof? The convertible top? Are you trying the convertible top?
Not yet.
Yeah, why not? Is it power?
It is power.
I don't know how the latches work. Yeah, you have to unlatch it. Oh, there you go. Oh, would you look at that? Oh, look at that. It even has this wonderful flap.
Yeah.
Wonder if it's manual. I don't want to break it. Oh, it is manual. What does that say? Speed Factory Racing. Ah, you could put it back up. You said check engine light is on?
Yep.
Let's beat the traffic back to the lot, and then we could check the codes. I mean, it's running good. It's not misfiring. I have it here. If you want to run it here. Do you want to run it here? Yeah. Okay, let me grab it.
This is the...
Oh. He cut it. I was gonna say we didn't see that the...
I was like, dude, why the hell are you scaring me? I was like, I didn't see that.
So this is the only thing. And look, surprisingly, it broke, but it doesn't look like it busted the windshield at all. I'll try to take this off for him. Honestly, probably airport way. Oh, look at that Shelby. Oh, that's nice. GT 500. And let's see how well this thing does. Bada boom, bada bang. Nice little S2K. And that thing looks completely stock, unmolested, and just like well cared for. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it's a one owner. I have to run a Carfax and see what it shows. But I think that was a really good buy for him. That's awesome. We're gonna rebuild that car. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the airbag, the front bumper. Whatever we do on that car, it will be on this channel. So if you are interested in seeing the rebuild process for that S2000, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and stick around. I always love driving by the airport. It doesn't happen often, but for this view, just mind-blowing that things that big just float in the air. I mean, engineering has come a long way. And it looks like the S2000 is running strong. So we're pretty close to the lot, maybe 5-10 minutes away, and then I'll jump in and I'll drive it. Andre took an earlier turn. He's gonna come out right here. He says, I got a Jeepus. He can't be that much quicker. I'm pretty sure I won. There's no way he beat me. Oh yeah, I definitely won. I don't even see him in my rear view mirror. And I'm like, no. What? No way.
Already at like 3,000 or 4,000 RPMs, and you're like, okay, gotta switch, but there's 9,000 RPMs to go up to. Leaving it open?
Yeah, we're not gonna go far. All right, let's see what this S2000 life is about. If I even fit in it. Ooh, this is low. Check engine is light. We're on. We got our airbag lights, which makes sense, but temp is good. We got some gas. Man, that clutch is like almost at the end. Okay. Let's see if I'll stall it. Oh, I didn't want to scrape the bottom. Ooh. Every manual car you gotta get used to.
Get into like the 7,000 RPMs, you'll feel like
The VTEC kick in?
yeah.
Okay. I'll try it. Man, that clutch just like bounces back. I mean, it is different, but it feels very buttoned down. Especially for a Honda. That's a third gear pull. Pretty good downshift. It almost sounds like a rotary. The Mazda I had. Man, it seems like to get it up to 7,000 takes some work. But that's when I guess it kind of opens up. Sweet. There she is, completely stock. I'd say definitely unmolested. And guys, this is the only damage right here. It looks like it was swiped a little bit. And that's it.
He probably, car ran a red light and hit him a little
That's
bit.
what I'm thinking. Almost like a T-bone.
Well, he was just barely in an intersection when he
Yeah.
hit it.
The only other imperfections we found was this, but it's been patched up. I mean, there's no like odor inside the car. Almost sad that it's like completely stock, but I know for resale value on a car like this, stock is probably the absolute best option you can get. We're gonna check what the codes are. Almost 82,000 miles. This really reminds me of like a Miata, but like more power.
A lot more power.
Vehicle does not support auto ID. Yes, do the manual one. All right, moment of truth. What kind of codes do we have? It's taking a while. Yeah, just go down.
8 codes.
So a whole bunch of evap. There's a leak, another leak.
Second air injection.
So there's a few confirmed codes. Are they any pending? Yeah, there's a pending. Pending will be duplicates. All right, we're gonna take pictures and see what those codes are. I realized that this was a pretty short video, but short video is not a bad video because we didn't break down. The car made it on its own, which is a big plus. But as it sits, guys, he paid 7,300 bucks for that. Drop a comment. Do you think that's a good price? Do you think it's a good deal, what he paid for it? And again, if you want to see the rebuild of this car, I know there's not a lot to rebuild, but nonetheless, if you do want to see it, subscribe, hit the notification bell. But for this video, this is going to be it. Thank you for joining, and I will see you guys in another video.